Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Southern Coastal Highway construction project. We are actually in Bull Bay, and a part of Bull Bay is in the parish of St. Andrew and a part is in the parish of St. Thomas. So we are in the St. Andrew section of Bull Bay. Now on the right you can see a lot of construction going on, and that is the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is a highway that's going to run from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. And this section of the highway is going to be 4 lanes. So we are looking at the section 1A, which is the section from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallows Bridge. And we are in Bull Bay, and this section is going to be 4 lanes. So they are building the 2 additional lanes to the right, because this part of the highway runs along the existing roadway. So you can see the new lanes being built on the right, and over 600 structures had to be removed for this highway to be built, because remember, there were a lot of structures right up against the road, and those structures had to be removed so that they could get the space for the 2 additional lanes to make it 4 lanes. Well, you know, with all major construction, you have this road in this state. That's part of the price you pay for progress. This, when finished, will be a highway quality road, no doubt about it. This is just a part of the process. All right, so straight ahead on the right now, you see a new bridge being built. And at this point, the highway no longer runs along the existing roadway. It's a new road. The highway will take a new alignment. And okay, look at this. You see where that car is? Unbelievable the way people drive. So he's now going into the path of traffic. And that's how you have so many accidents, because of the way people drive. It's unbelievable, the level of indiscipline on the roads. And I can tell you, one of the reasons why there's so much indiscipline is because you have 1 million unpaid traffic tickets and people still have driver's license on the road driving. 1 million unpaid traffic tickets. So that is one of the reasons why you have such indiscipline on the roads. Alright, but that is for another video. So on the right now, the road takes a new alignment, and you can see it on the right. That's the bridge, and then the highway will go over the hill and come up by the Suncoast Adventure Park. And then it goes back along it runs along the existing road up to the Grand Span area, where it will then take a new alignment and then come out by the Yallows, run along the existing roadway back to the Yallows Bridge. Alright, so we're just going to take a quick tour of this section, which is where the new alignment is. So you can actually drive on this road all the way to the Suncoast Adventure Park. That section, the alignment is done. It's not paved yet or anything, but you can actually drive on it. We're not going to drive on it today because you can see construction going on, but we have videos up on the channel. You can check it out, actually driving on this new roadway. I'm not sure what the name of this bridge is. Somebody had mentioned it once, one of the subscribers, but it has slipped me. But this is where the new alignment starts, and from where we are, it goes all the way to the Suncoast Adventure Park, and that's where it rejoins the existing roadway. So in other words, let's go through the entire alignment. From Harborview to where we are now, in 11 miles Bull Bay, the highway runs along the existing roadway. So the existing roadway will go from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. At this point, the highway takes a new direction or new alignment and goes over the hill and comes out at the Suncoast Adventure Park. So that is where this new road ends. So from the Suncoast Adventure Park to the Grand Spen area, it runs along the existing roadway. However, the highway then takes a new alignment in the Grand Spen area. It actually bypasses the Grand Spen district and comes back out at, I'm not sure where the marker is, but it then comes back out at some point after you bypass Grand Spen and then runs along the existing roadway towards the Yallow's Bridge. And that entire highway will be 4 lanes. So section 1A of the highway, which is from Harborview to the Yallow's Bridge, will be 4 lanes, all highway quality road, with just looking like this with the barricade in the middle, etc., etc. So the highway is 120 kilometers from Harborview to Port Antonio. So it's being built in sections. So section 1A goes to the Yallow's Bridge, and then you have the different sections. Now, some sections, okay, before we get into that, now the main contractor for the entire highway is China Harbor Engineering Company. They are the main contractor for the entire highway. Section 1A from Harborview to the Yallow's Bridge, which is what we're touring today, is being done by China Harbor Engineering Company, the entire work. Now, as you get to section 1B, C, D, E, F, G, H, some of those sections are being done by local contractors. And when you hear about the problems that the persons in the area are having, read the road, read the time it's taking to do the road, those sections most times are being done by local contractors. So just to give you some perspective of what's going on and the challenges in some sections and why. So the entire project is to be finished in 2025. However, as some sections are completed, the road will be opened. And we actually have videos up of driving on some of the finished sections. So some of those roads are actually open, so you can get an idea of what the entire highway is going to look like. So you can search the channel and you can see the finished section of this highway, what it's going to look like when it's finished. This section should open before the section. Oh, is that a landslide? Wow, it's a good thing we didn't go up there. Really good thing. Okay, some rocks were just sliding down the hill. You can see the dust. That's where the rocks were sliding down. All right, this is an active construction site. I mean, no doubt about it. You have to be careful. All right, so this section 1A should open before 2025 because the work is far advanced on it. All right, guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.